This is the elevator here at Macy's at Woodbridge Center in Woodbridge, New Jersey.
If I remember correctly, this is a Haughton.
It is a Haughton. Anybody who says this is not a Haughton will have their comment removed and be blocked.
Okay, now that's a bit overly harsh. But yeah, that's definitely a Haughton indicator.
Oh shit, we got company. Excuse my language. Going down?
Oh.
We've got panels on both sides. Going down?
Going down? Well, actually, we're going to be coming back up. We're just taking a ride on the elevator.
Where are we going?
Down.
Oh, we're going up.
I don't know why it went up.
I guess somebody registered a call up here.
Well, I know we did not push it.
Oh, but I'm coming off, but it's okay, you guys.
Yo, let me ask, why is the third floor closed? Is there construction going on?
Correct.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Sorry.
This is the second floor.
We got one more ride.
Going down?
No, I'm just kidding.
This is a neat vintage elevator.
Back to ML.
Oh, lights up on this side. So let me ask, do you know what's being constructed on UL?
Oh, it's gonna be like a warehouse of a film center.
Oh, it is? Will it ever be open to the public again?
No, they moved themselves downstairs, right next to the escalator.
That's it.